So in waste management, we have in fact gone for a plan where we are coming out with an expression of interest from different individuals, different companies who would be willing to come in and treat this particular waste, be it in Shillong, Tura, or Jowai, or other locations. We have done a lot of research. Our team have visited different locations within the country in the last 1.5 months itself, whether it is in Delhi, Gurgaon area, Noida area, even as close as Guwahati. We have seen the different technologies that are being implemented. We are hopeful that within a few months, we should be able to work out a system and tie up with certain partners and companies who will then help us in actually converting this particular waste into something more productive, which is being done as we speak in other parts of the country. So we are going to copy those technologies. We have been trying different technologies. Some have worked, some have not worked. So this time we are now really putting full efforts to ensure that we now get a stronger team in the future, because this, as you said correctly, is a very big problem, and the problem will only grow. So I'm hopeful that in the coming few months we should be able to find a practical and realistic solution to this problem also.